this is a Catarhex 3 system here. Switch on the machine. From the back side is the button. Then you will see here message auto test and system is got ready. So first of all, you have to connect the tubing with the machine. This is the autoclavable tubing. You can connect the tubing like this way. This is the first retention ring and this is the second retention ring here, and then you put this aspiration tube into the bottle. Here's the waste bottle, and then you connect the IV set of the ringer with this tubing, and then you ensure it should be in. This is out, this is in, and ensure the clamp is on the tubing. So we have connected the tubing like this way. Here are the two free end of the IA tubing here. Then you connect the phaco handpiece with the machine, and then you connect this irrigation and aspiration tubing with the phaco handpiece. Then you open the cap of the handpiece. Here is the regular tip inside. This is the protector with tip. You mount the tip on the phaco handpiece and you tighten it with the regular key. You press it like this way and then you mount like this. So two forces, one is in this way and other is in this way. After mounting the tip, you can mount the sleeve on the tip, and then it should be ensure the front 1 mm, the front broad part of the tip should be out from the sleeve. So then you mount the chamber on the tip. Here is the test chamber. You can mount on the tip. It should not be free. Then you go open the clamp for irrigation, and then you press the phaco 1 and then the pre-op button here. The system will run. It will fill and rinse the tubing, all the tubing. We fill the tubing, all the tubing, and you can see the water will be coming in the chamber. You fill the chamber and then you mount at the chamber, and you take all the air from the handpiece into the chamber. You knock the handpiece in this vertical direction, and then you wait for until the system show here the message OK. The pre-op fill and rinse is running, and here is the percentage of the completion of the pre-op, and after it's reaching to the 100%, it will show here the phaco test active, and then you will see the message the phaco test OK, and you will also hear the noise of the ultrasound from the handpiece. It is OK, then system will automatically go to the phaco 1. This phaco 1 setting is for the sculpting. After sculpting, after breaking the nucleus into 2 or 3 pieces, then you press the button phaco 2. Remember, this option you can also do with the foot pedal. You can change the phaco 1, phaco 2, phaco 2, phaco 3 in right direction horizontally. So your system is ready for the phaco, and the second step is the I&A. After removal the nucleus, you will remove the cortex. Here are the coaxial I&A handpiece. Here is the tip. You can mount the tip by just pressing it, and then you mount the sleeve on the I&A. Be careful, the tip should come from the center of the sleeve, not on the lateral side of the sleeve support. So you can disconnect the I&A tubing from the phaco handpiece, and then you reconnect it with the I&A handpiece of the machine. Then here the option to select the I&A mode. So I&A mode, you can press I&A mode button here, and here is the CTX button. You can also press the CTX mode, and here are the setting for the I&A. It is ranging, you can select from 22 to 23 or 24 like this, and then 500 vacuum for the I&A. So you will activate the I&A mode by foot switch. First step is irrigation, then second is the vacuum occlusion, and the third one is the aspiration. So you can do in this way. And during this surgery, if you need some vitrectomy, you have a capsule rupture during the surgery, you can use this vitrectomy hand piece. This is the cutter, and here are the two pipes going to the machines, and here are the two ports on the machine. One is the green and one is the black. So you can connect the green with green and black with black tightly, and to select the function of vitrectomy here. Vitrectomy. Here are the setting for the vitrectomy: 1200 cuts, 15 ml per minute flow rate, and 250 is the vacuum for the vitrectomy. So you can connect the tubing, IA tubing. The aspiration tubing should be connected to this white. And remember that this cutter is the disposable cutter. You cannot autoclave it, but you can reuse if by autoclavation, by sterilization is with the N-proline. So here is the cutter. Our cutter is ready. The aspiration port, the irrigation port, you can use a second port, the side port. You can connect here the Simcoe cannula or any handle which is used to deliver the irrigation in the eye. So in this way, the vitrectomy will be work with the foot paddle. Here is the handpiece for the diathermy, and diathermy handpiece has one connector, and this is the port for the diathermy. You can connect the diathermy handpiece connector with the machine, and the other end is the handpiece, and you can connect any diathermy instrument like bipolar forceps, like eraser tip, or you can use the capsulotomy tip for the capsular access. For diathermy, you press the button here, dia, and you will get the function on the display. And then you can use the diathermy eraser tip here, and you can adjust the power from 0 to 100% on the panel with these two buttons. So your diathermy is ready. In the same way, if you want to use the capsulotomy, you can mount the capsulotomy tip on this diathermy handpiece, and you have to select the function here, the caps, C-A-P-S, caps. So this is the capsulotomy regular, and you can use the high mode while working on the pediatric surgery on the children. So normally it is used on the regular. So your capsulotomy is ready, and you can do the capsulotomy by pressing the foot pedal like that. So this is all about the function in the machine. These are the major functions, and you can use it. In phaco mode, here is the one button. This is the IRR. This is the irrigation. This is used to activate the continuous irrigation, and here you can see the IRR on the panel. It means your continuous irrigation mode is activated. If you want to stop the irrigation, continuous irrigation, you can switch it off, or you can switch it on the continuous irrigation. So this is the main function. I hope you will do it at your own in your hospital. Here is one other type of the tip. This is the disposable tip. This is the disposable key, If you want to use this disposable tip, you can mount this tip on the handpiece by this key only. So thank you very much for your understanding.